Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Learning Academy YouTube channel. In previous class, I have discussed about what is for loop. In this session, we are going to see what is while loop. What is while loop? While loop is a looping statement which keeps on executing until the condition is false. Means we know starting point and we don't know ending point. A while loop is a control flow statement that allows code to be executed repeatedly based on a given Boolean condition. The while loop can be thought of as a repeating if statements. And this is the flowchart for while loop. While loop starts with the Boolean condition. If it is evaluated to the true, then the loop body statements are executed. Otherwise, first statements looping is executed. For this reason, it is also called as entry control loop. Next, the condition is evaluated true, the statement in the loop body are executed. Normally, the statements contains an updated value for the variable being processed for the next iteration. When the conditions becomes false, the loop terminates, which makes the end of its life cycle. And this is the example for while loop. Then we can execute for this example. This is the result. So always Java program start from main method. Thank you. In this session, you have any doubts, you can comment. Thank you for watching and subscribe our channel.